Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. Today I want to talk about rootstock. Now I always see people like, where are you getting your rootstock? You know, I want to graft onto something or rootstock. What do I do? This is rootstock. This is Antonovka rootstock. And it is grown from seed. 8 months ago, let's see, it's September now. I planted these last winter. 8 months ago in the winter, I planted seeds at these locations. Seeds from, we have an Antonovka tree. We took the seeds from the apples and we put them out here in the middle of the winter. They got all the chill hours they needed, and I'd say we got 90 to 100% sprout. So everything sprouted. And this growth you see here is 1 year of growth from that seed. It's pretty amazing. The size of it, this is larger than the standard 1/4 inch rootstock that you would get from a nursery. And that rootstock would cost, you know, let's say $2 wholesale and $4 or $5 retail plus shipping. So what I'm going to say here is basically this. If you're looking for rootstock, if you know you're going to be grafting in the future, hey, I'm going to be grafting some trees. I want to grow out an orchard. You know, I want to sell some apple trees locally. Go ahead and consider taking seeds from a vigorous tree and putting it in the ground. In our case here, because we have an Antonovka tree, we know that the seeds of that apple are going to be basically true. It won't be the same type of apple, but it should have the characteristics of vigor. And you can see it in the first year. So I'll know that, like, hey, this seed that I planted has grown to probably 3 feet tall here, and it is very thick at the base. So I'm pretty confident that if I graft onto that, it will take whatever variety that I've grafted onto it and grow into a huge tree. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. If you're looking for rootstock, if you're looking to buy rootstock, and your horizon for grafting the trees is a little longer, go ahead and consider just planting some seeds in your garden bed this winter and then using them the next winter to graft onto. All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you all very much, and have a great day.